Hello everyone and welcome back. I have always been fascinated by how AI works in games and how we can script various behaviors and bring our game environments to life. Coupling this with modern day machine learning can lead to pretty interesting behaviors, even those which we have not defined or thought about. However, featuring such complex artificially intelligent system in games can quickly get performance intensive. In this video, we will be comparing Unity's robust classic navigation with experimental but highly performant dots-based navigation using Namesh Query API for pathfinding. In one of my previous videos, we hit a technical hurdle wherein path calculation took a lot of time. I wanted to be very sure and know the limits of classic navigation system, as I had few questions when I came across calculate path functionality. I spent quite some time thinking about proper obstacle course like a bunch of boxes placed on random location and pyramid with stairs. But in both of these designs, units tended to clump together and form a straight line. Eventually, to divide the units as much as possible, I went for basic shapes from one of my first game I ever played, Tetris. I created a course with primitive shapes and wrote some code to spawn a bunch of units every 1/10 of a second, as routing all units in one frame is not a good idea. I also turned off rendering shadows. Here I effectively substituted long distance with more agents to understand the problem. I programmed the units to come back to their point of origin once they reach their respective destination point and keep repeating their journey. The Namesh calculate path function calculates the path ahead of time. This appeared to solve my problem initially, as I could always predict how many agents need a path at any given point of time. But it took a heavy performance hit. The frame rate dropped to less than 30 as I reached 10,000 units. Moreover, Unity explicitly points out that this could get costly for long paths. Now it was time to switch to dots-based pathfinding solution and see if it could be of any help. I did not want to build a custom pathfinding solution because the experimental Namesh query from Unity was out there, and quickly reading through its documentation made it more enticing option. I also came across a GitHub repo which spoke about using Namesh query. There is a link in the description. I spent weeks writing the code, experiencing several crashes as I messed up. After about 35 discrete attempts rewriting the same system, I eventually got the code to work. I used the same spawner to spawn entities and added unit component containing some data about source and destination, and unit buffer containing the path to traverse for every unit. This will be populated at runtime using the multi-threaded burst compiled pathfinding system. I still have to refactor the code and remove hard-coded values, but we will dive deeper into the code in the next video, as I have so much to share about the API and to avoid pitfalls. I set up to spawn agents in straight lines similar to that of game objects and had a checkbox to spawn both game objects and entities. I also implemented caching so we can take advantage of the timed spawning, wherein agents will be repeatedly instantiated at the same point and previously calculated path can be reused. As seen here, 50 units were spawned and only 25 path calculations took place. The rest of the 25 units are using the waypoints calculated from the previous calculation. It is worth noting that both dots navigation and classic game object navigation system can go hand in hand. We can have large group of NPCs moving around player while still keeping the core and necessary pathfinding built on classic navigation system. As I approached 10,000 units, I was fascinated to see insane performance benefits I could get by using dots navigation. The only limiting factor here was rendering. Trying to see or keep all rendered units in view was taxing my system. Now since we are dealing with entities and dots pathfinding, we could push this further. I switched from using the capsule to cylinder so we can get even better performance. So here we have a staggering 200,000 units all traversing their own paths. Dots Namesh query is incredibly performant. Though Namesh Query API is still in experimental stage at this point, it is already showing amazing results and it can only get better. If we just wanted to know the waypoints without drawing anything on screen, Dots can get it done in seconds. The point here is not only how many agents we can move or how many paths we can calculate. It is also about how efficiently we can move a bunch of units from where they are to where they have to be, especially on handheld devices, which would mean efficient utilization of available CPU resource, which translates to less dissipation of heat and low battery consumption. This will lead to more immersive gameplay time and less interruptions. This more than solves our problem and leaves room for more complex behavior. Now that we know how to use dots for pathfinding, we can try and use this to navigate our AI car over large distances. In the next video, we will see how to build this multi-threaded system to calculate path between 2 points on a nav mesh and dive deeper into this implementation. This is all I have for now. I cannot wait to share all my findings. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have fun.